Welcome to the design step of the lab. On the design page, you can set up the details of your experiment, send your experiment to the Geiger counter, and take a quick look at the results once they're completed. Let's design an experiment in this Experiment Design window. First, enter the distances you want to measure radiation from. The minimum distance is 15 millimeters, and the maximum distance is 90 millimeters. You can measure as many distances as you'd like, just separate each distance with a comma. Now decide how long you want to measure radiation at each distance by adjusting this slider. Here you can decide how many trials you want to run by adjusting this slider. Next, click on the text box and describe why you chose your experiment design. Once you're done with that, hit the Next button. When you hit Next, iLab Central sends your experiment design to the Geiger counter in Australia and enters your experiment into the queue of other experiments. You can always check your estimated wait time here. While you wait, you can watch your experiment happening live via the webcam. Just click on this image to launch the webcam viewer. You can also answer the lab journal question on the right-hand side of the screen. If you need to, you can even log out, leave, and log in at another time. Your progress, lab journal, and experiment data will all be saved in the My Experiments section of the site. Keep in mind that if many students submit their experiments at the same time, they won't be able to access the results immediately. Once your experiment is finished, this experiment status box will turn green, and this Retrieve Results button will appear. Click it and the site will pull up your data. Take a quick look at the results and then describe your initial observations. Once you've filled in the text box, hit the Next button.